This light kit includes one 6-foot LED strip light, one infrared receiver, one remote, one 2600 mAh power bank, two adhesive magnetic plates, one USB adapter, and one micro USB cord. Mount within 5 feet of an electrical outlet. Clean surface with rubbing alcohol. Before first use, charge power bank until the red light stops blinking. This tape light is not linkable or cuttable. Remove liner and mount to desired location. Attach adhesive magnetic plate to power bank and attach to surface. This tape light can be powered through the included power bank or USB adapter. To operate the remote, remove the plastic battery tab. Choose from 10 colors and 6 holiday presets. The Christmas tree button creates red and green. St. Patrick's Day shamrock, orange and green. Hanukkah menorah, blue and white. 4th of July star, red and blue. Halloween pumpkin, orange and purple. Valentine's Day heart, red and pink. Press Eco for the light to stay at 100% output for 5 minutes, 30% for 10 minutes, then turn off. Press 10 or 30 for the light to automatically turn off after 10 or 30 minutes. You can also dim and brighten the lights.